Hey Don, I spoke with Tom this morning and I wanted to touch base with you guys and show you three things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback after you watch the video. So let's jump right into it. Three major things I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is anything that you see on your homepage that is written, and even pictures and what they're saved as is considered content as well. And Google likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage to be optimized. So as you can see, you have roughly, I'd say 200 words on your homepage. So let's go look at your competition and see what they have. The Waterworks is in first place for Plumber Columbus, Ohio. And as we scroll down, he does have some content here, a couple pictures, content. Not much though. If you were to go out and get that 1,500 words, you would beat him by a landslide in that aspect, and that would help your ranking altogether. In the meantime, I want to break down Google for you. Google is broke down into three sections. This top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up here. And if you're ranking in these other two sections I'm about to show you, it's honestly unnecessary. So let's go down to this plumber Google Map Pack GMB listing source. Now this is where you want to be ranking. A lot of clicks come from here in this organic section. I know this is where I go when I'm looking for a service, but as you can see, you guys are not in this top three for Columbus, Ohio. So Eco Plumbers Green Plumbing is in first. Now I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and that's what will show me how many citations this company has. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web, and like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, and that's a big reason how you rank in this. The more citations, the better. So let's go to that tool. It's called WhiteSpark CA. It's a local citation finder. And as you can see, I plugged in the Eco Plumber's information, and he only has 11 citations. Now, the best part about this is we can go into his citation sources and really see which ones he does have, and it looks like he only has 2 that are transferring any power. As you can see, this DA is the domain authority. They're not created equal. They do range from power, and this is spammy link. So if you were to go out and get 80 to 100 for your business, you would easily beat these guys out and get in this top 3 map pack, and it would get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. So that was the GMB. Now this third section is the organic section. This has to deal directly with your website. And as you can see, the Waterworks is in first place. So I have another tool I use. It's called Ahrefs, and I can plug in your website here, and this is going to show me a basic overview of your stats. So this UR and DR number are very important. This UR number is the overall strength of your website, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. Now a backlink is what ranks you in this organic section down here. A backlink is when one website links back to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen them in content before where you click on little blue writing and it takes you to another website. Well, Google loves those and considers them votes for the other website. So the more backlinks you have, the more votes you have. It's like a popularity contest. Whoever has the most backlinks wins. So you want the most backlinks as possible, but you want them from relevant sources. Like, you don't want Pizza Hut giving you a backlink because you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. You want other plumbers or construction sites linking to you because they will transfer the most power. But as you can see, you have 288 backlinks coming from 48 websites, and you're ranking for 97 keywords. Now these aren't created equal, just like the citations. These do follow links are the only ones that transfer power, and you only have 8 of them. So that's why your number is so low for your backlink. Let's go look at your competitor, which was the Waterworks. He has a 42 and a 26. Now you want these numbers as close together and as high as possible. So as you can see, he is doing better than you in the moment, but he's not unbeatable. He has 220 websites, giving him almost 2,000 backlinks. But the only ones that matter are these 97. And the best part about this is we can go in, and here they all are laid out to be submitted for your business. Now we know they're giving him good power, so they'll give you good power, and they're ranking him, they will rank you. And then we go out and get some better ones and beat him, and then you're up above him. Now the reason you want that is because I'm going to show you all the search volume that there is in your area. These are keywords that people are actually typing into Google search bar each and every month This is the monthly figure, this will how many times, and this is how hard it is to rank for. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. So as you can see, Plumbers, Columbus, Ohio, being typed 600 times a month. That's 600 people looking for a plumber in Columbus, Ohio. Plumbing, Columbus, Ohio, 1,300 times a month. That's 1,300 jobs a month for waterworks. Plumbing, Columbus, Ohio was 500, 500 jobs a month. Let's go down. Columbus, OH, plumber, 150. Plumbers, Columbus, Ohio, 450. Plumbers, Columbus, Ohio, 300. Plumber, Columbus, Ohio, 150. You get the gist of it. There's a lot of search volume in your area, and yeah, the competition is a little tough, but with time you could get that. But look how much traffic he's getting from ranking in the first place for Plumbers, Columbus, Ohio. He's getting 200 jobs from 600 by just being in first place on the first page. So, and we know we could beat him out, so that could be you. 200, 121, 110. He's getting massive amounts of business from this. But that's why it's important to have that 1,500 words on your home page, because you could fit those keywords throughout the content. You could put one per every 100 words Google likes to see, so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. But let's touch base on what we spoke about. The first thing was content, 1,500 words on your home page to put the keywords on. The second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed across directories on the web. You want to have maybe 80 to 100, even 200 is even better to beat these guys out by a landslide, and also to get your name in more directories so people can find you. And the third thing we talked about were backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do it on your own. Totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Don, and thank you, Tom, for getting this video over to him. And like I said, any and all feedback, a couple lines just to let me know you watched it, would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.